What's up, everybody? It's Prince here, coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road they are constructing here in Sukuta, the Gambia, West Africa. Plus, I'll be showing you how this neighborhood of Sukuta looks too in the year 2025, and then it's rainy season by the time I'm filming this video. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and walk around here and show you guys how it looks here. As you guys can see, so guys, this is the new road I'm talking about here in Sukuta. Yeah, so you guys can see. And then guys, the road begins all the way from there, as you guys can see, and this is how this neighborhood looks. Yeah, oh boy. Wahala. That young one is like, film me, I want to be part of the video. And guys, this is how this local Gambian community looks. As you guys can see, this is Sukuta, and there's a mechanic garage over there. Yeah, and there's an empty plot. So guys, those are the people doing the road construction here. Just look how muddy it looks on that other side. Yeah, guys, this is Sukuta for you, the Gambia in 2025. So you guys can see. Guys, this is how a local Gambian community looks. Yeah. And this is how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia called Sukuta. guys, this is what I'm getting for you here in this part of the Gambia called Sukuta. And then if you watch the video till here, make sure you like and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah, tell me, what do you think about this video? Yeah, and this is the new road. The road work have been paused here because of the rainy season. As you guys can see, water on the side of the road. Yeah, and then I begin this video all the way from there, so you can see walking towards down there. Just look at these kids enjoying themselves. So guys, this is Sukuta. Yeah, one of the oldest towns here in the Gambia called Sukuta. Yeah, and then I'm walking towards the Sukuta market. Yeah. Yeah, I'm walking towards the Sukuta market. And this road begins all the way from the OIC road. Yeah. Guys, now I'm getting into the oldest settlement of Sukuta. Yeah, the old settlement of Sukuta. Yeah. And guys, this is where the road construction have stopped for now. It is here. Yeah. Guys, I'm now deep inside the old settlement of Sukuta. This is Africa for you. Finally, and guys, that's the and then guys, that's the Sukuta market. Yeah, but I won't get into the market. Finally, here I am now. Working on the street market of Sukuta, and this is how the traffic looks. Somehow congested over here. And then I will cross the road to get to that other side. That's what I want to do. Guys, this is how we do it here. Guys, this is how we do it here. We cross the road when we feel like it's good to go, and then now I'm walking towards the Latrikunda Sukuta garage. Yeah, I will soon close this video, but before that, let me show you guys how the Gambia looks in rainy season. So muddy out here. This is the Gambia in rainy season, and then they are also planning to construct a new road here. They already do the pavement to construct a new road here, so you guys can see. And then it's like I'm seeing a river over there. Guys, the Gambia in rainy season is something else. It's another big deal. And then guys, that road leads to the Sukuta Health Center. Yeah. Guys, this is a river. I'm just kidding. It is a standard water over here. And then guys, that's the Latrikunda Sukuta garage over there. Yeah. And guys, that's the Latrikunda Sukuta garage. And then this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. It's your boy Prince Eka, boy from the Gambia, West Africa. He's smiling cause sorry, a friend of mine was calling me, so I was rejecting the call. I'm out. Peace.